Smoking and vaping has been linked to more frequent infections and other mucociliary dysfunction clogging up your airways. Now, if you want to remedy that, we would recommend trying our Mullein and chlorophyll tincture, the best-selling lung health product on shop and the most copied. But in honor of Labor Day and all our amazing customers who have gotten us to where we are doing the biggest promotion we have ever done, up to 40% off. And for anyone new here, I just want to let you know the way this works is it absorbs in your stomach and circulates into your lungs, kickstarting that